Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a try on summer clothing haul. I did one of these videos last year around this time. I will leave it linked down below if you have not seen it, so you can go watch it after this video. But most of the items in that video were from the site Romwe or Shein. They're kind of like a combined brand. This video is not sponsored, but that is where most of the items are from in today's video as well. Just because I love doing my summer shopping from that website. They have super cute items for really affordable and cheap prices. And to me, the quality is really good for what you're paying. I did buy from other places like Poshmark, Target, H&M, and other things like that. And I will be including throughout the video whenever I try on the clothes where I got them from and how much I paid. That is, to me, the best part of going summer shopping, that I definitely love to get good deals. So the best places to get those from are like Poshmark, Mercari, things like that, like used clothes. And I have no problem with them as long as you wash them and there's nothing wrong with them. They even sell some things with tags on them. So yeah, you would not believe some of the prices that I paid for some of these items. And they're still really good brands like American Eagle, Hollister, PacSun, like all the expensive brands for literally probably more than 50% off what it would be retail if you were to buy it in the store. The more you save, the more clothes you'll be able to get. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I'm going to be first showing you all of the items that I got off of Romwe, and that is the app that I shopped off of, but like I mentioned, they are a combined brand. So some of the tags say Shein, even though I paid the Romwe price. Some of the items are priced differently on both of the separate apps. I don't know why that is, but I shopped off Romwe. First is this really cute velvet bodycon slip dress. And I think this is so cute, even by itself, but I originally bought this with the plan in my head that it would look really cute with a white t-shirt under it. So that brings us to our next item, which is just a plain white t-shirt. And believe it or not, I did not have like a tight, plain short sleeve that wasn't a v-neck or that didn't have any print on it or anything. So I just got this and added it to the order for super cheap because that's how the model showed it with this item. So yeah, I love the fit of both of these, super tight fitting, and this dress is really flattering. The next thing was this white floral spring like tank top. It kind of fits like a tube top. That's how cropped it is, and it's also really tight, but I really like the fit of it, and I think it would look really cute with high-waisted jeans or anything really high-waisted. I will leave down below my measurements for reference and what sizes I got. Next is this light pink ribbed off the shoulder top. I really think this one is super cute and it would look great with any white bottoms, whether it's jeans, a skirt, shorts, anything like that. It's super flattering. Next were these drawstring dolphin shorts, these were called. These are just pretty basic. They do have pockets and you can tie them as tight as you want around the waist. And this is like a really thick material, so these are definitely not see-through. And this was one of the items that only went down to a small, which equals a US size 4, and I'm usually a size 0, but these did fit and they weren't too baggy or anything. So maybe the sizing runs small, I'm not sure. Next was another pair of shorts. These are navy blue floral paper bag self-tie shorts, and these are a little bit on the baggier side, but they're kind of meant to be. That's like the style of shorts that they are, and it is the smallest size that they had. This material is not see-through, but it is like on the thinner side. Next was this black tie top, and you wrap it around the front to make a tie in the back, and this is super tight fitting. You can obviously make it as tight or as loose as you want, and it's also a v-neck style, so you can make it as low as you want as well. But I would recommend getting a size up, even if you want it super tight. Small was the smallest size, which is what I got, and I could have definitely fit into a medium. Next item was this really cute light pink snakeskin top. It has a bow design in the front, and it also has adjustable straps, as most of the items from this website does. It fits like a little bit more on the flowy side, which I actually think is really cute and I liked, which I didn't think I would. The next thing from Romwe was this V-back skater dress, and in the picture and how the model was wearing it, the V design was supposed to be in the back, but I honestly like it better in the front, it fits better, and when I wear it the other way, how it's supposed to be worn, the sleeve area fits like too tight and like really weird. I also got this white like cinched lace trim top. I don't really know what you call this. I am not the biggest fan of this top. I don't really like how it fits me personally. I am going to be reselling it on my Poshmark just because I feel like it can fit a size up. I got a small, which is equal to a US 4. So I feel like I could fit a medium way better. Also, I am selling a bunch of other stuff on there, so I will leave a link down below so you guys can shop my closet. If you guys hear a noise in the background, there's always vacuuming going on in my house, so that's the noise. The next item was this crisscross design ribbed top. This fits really, really tight and nicely, and it is a little bit see-through, but I feel like you can make it work if you wear the right things under it. Next was this light blue and white striped short sleeve top. It ties down at the bottom, and this would have been a really, really cute top if it fit me. This is a size small. As you can see, they didn't send me the wrong size from what I ordered, and this could fit probably like a large the way it's supposed to fit a small, and this runs so big, it's so baggy on me. I am reselling this one on my Poshmark as well. I got this black ribbed tank dress, and this isn't tight fitted, but it's not supposed to be. It's not a bodycon dress, it is a tank dress, so it kind of fits like a skater dress at the bottom because it is a little tight at the top, but it's just kind of like a plain top that you can pair with a jean jacket and make it look really cute with accessories. Then I got two bralettes. This came in a 2-pack of a black one and a white one. These don't have padding, but they are lined, so they are not see-through, and it also has 3 adjustable clips in the back. This last clothing item from Romwe isn't summer related, but I thought while I'm shopping there, you know, might as well just get it all so it can come. I absolutely love cropped hoodies. They're like one of my favorite clothing items, so I definitely had to get this because I actually don't have a black cropped hoodie, so now I do. It was also on sale. The fuzz does shed a little bit though, so yeah. And these last items are all accessories, and I got a lot just because they're so cheap, and most of these things that I got I've been looking for anyways, and they're at a really, really good price. So I thought while I'm buying from there, if they have it in stock, might as well get it. I got a black leather belt with a double ring diamond buckle. Obviously not real diamonds, but it looks super, super cute. I got a butterfly anklet. I just pictured this with my new Air Forces, and this is just so cute. I also don't have any anklets, so this one was like literally under $1. The only downfall about their jewelry is that you can definitely tell that it will tarnish. For how cheap the price is, obviously you're not going to be getting real silver or anything like that. I've never had an experience with their jewelry turning my neck like green or anything, but it definitely will rust and things like that. Then I got a simple body chain. This I feel like would be really cute to wrap around your waist if you have any type of crop top on, and it just like adds a little spice to the look in my opinion. Then I got this belt, which I've been looking for one of these. If you watched my most recent shopping haul, I will leave it linked down below. I saw one of these in store, and at that very moment I fell in love with this like ring belt. That belt is so cute, but probably so expensive here. I'm really glad that the size is like universal, because for this one belt, it doesn't fit. It's like way too big, so I have to like make my own hole in it yet. And also this style belt is super trendy, I feel like, as well. I also got another belt, which is just a side release buckle belt. I have been searching for one of these for I can't tell you guys how long, probably about a year now. Like, I saw these on a pair of cargo pants and I absolutely loved them, and I love cargo pants and I have a bunch of them. Then the very last thing that I got from that website was a 3-pack of scrunchies. It comes with a snakeskin one, a cheetah, and a plain black, and it also has like a bow design. All of the rest of the items that I'm going to be showing you from this point of the video on are not from Romwe, and I got them from different places. So these items, unfortunately, I will not be able to link down below, because if I got them from Poshmark, that is from like a different seller, you know, so it's not like something that can be in stock. The first thing was this black string snakeskin top. This is probably one of my favorite buys out of everything, and it was super cheap. It does unfortunately fit a little bit on the looser side. I would really want it to be like a tight tube top. Maybe I can like cinch it or something. Then from that same seller, I bundled a pair of American Eagle shorts, and these were so cheap for what the price originally is if I were to buy them at the store. And they're my size, they're my style that I like and everything, and they're stretchy, which is the kind that I like. These are high rise shorty, and they are medium washed, a little bit lighter on the sides with minimal rips. From a different seller, I got a cheetah v-neck tank top. It has a really cute like crossover design in the front, and it fits really nice, and this one is tight fitting, which is what I was expecting it to. This is from the brand H&M. From that same seller, I got this shiny metallic tank top. This one does have adjustable straps in the back, so you can make it as short or as cropped as you want it. Again, the H&M brand. I think H&M clothes are super cute. This shirt is really thin though. Like if I stretch it out a little bit, like you can see right through it. But without stretching it, it is such a shiny material that you can't really tell or see through it. A great tip for saving on Poshmark from the already marked down prices is if you see an item you like, if you go to the person's closet to see what else they're selling and put it in a bundle, you'll save a lot of money on shipping. So shipping on Poshmark is quite expensive. It's $7 per order. So if you find like a bunch of stuff that you like from one person and you put it all in the same bundle, you'll be paying $7 for all the items, versus if I were to get two $3 items from different sellers, it would be $10 from one and $10 from another, which is $20 for two $3 items just because of that stupid $7 shipping. The next two items are from Target, and let me put you guys on. I have never really shopped for clothes at Target before. I don't really know why that is. I just like haven't looked in the clothing section really. I got this shiny leopard, it's like kind of like a bustier style top, and it has adjustable straps, and it is a tight fitted crop top, as well as this light pink velvet one, which is in the same style. These are both extra small in the brand Wild Fable, and they're really great quality. The last item was this light blue fuzzy tank top that is the brand Garage, and I got this off of Poshmark, and I did bundle, but the other items that I got from her didn't really fit me well, so I already resold those. Also, this top is like a sweater material, so it's really like comfortable and fuzzy. So those were all the clothes that I got today, and if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite print is for this summertime to wear. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.